Hello, I am Ajay Purve from section CS19C. My Coventry ID is 1026-9017 and my college ID is 190305. I am here to explain my coursework which I have done during the third semester of the subject Developing of the Modern Web. I have chosen a topic named Tarai Delight, which is an e-commerce website which sells different products to the users by getting online orders. This website is built with Django, which is a framework of Python. To run the project, I have to type command python manager-py run server. After that, we click on the link. The website have different sections like nav, product page, and footer. We can view the product and view the details of the product, price, and here is the cart add to cart button. After clicking on the add to cart, we will get redirect to the login page because we have not get logged in into this site. So at first we have to get registered. So in the beginning we are going to register as a customer. So fill up the form. After getting registered, we will log in through the same ID. After getting a login, we can fill up our profile. After clicking on the submit button, our profile get created and it will be viewed on the address section. After that, we will go to the home page of the project, and then we can able to look different product which we will now in the home page we will able to visit, we will able to see different products, and we can now we can able to add this product to our cart by clicking on the cart button. We are also able to increase the amount of the product and the price also get increased here. And while we place order, it will go to select a shipping address. After selecting a shipping address, we click on the button continue, and then our order get placed. And now order status is pending because admin have not accepted the order, that's why. So to accept this order, we have to create a super user or admin which will review the product orders. So now I am going to create a super admin. After that, again we run the project, and now we'll log out this and log in the admin account. After getting login by admin, we will be able to go to the admin dashboard by clicking the drop down. Here is the admin dashboard, and we are able to review a different function of this admin dashboard, like that we are able to view the user, or able to see the cart item or customers order placed. And now I have order placed with the Ajay Purve account, so I am going to change the status of the product, and it gets saved on the web. And we are also able to add product title. In this way we are able to while we submit the form, the product get added and at the last. And we are also able to delete these products. While we go to the users account, we can able to see and our orders that is on the way. If we want to change password, then we can also able to change the password from here. We have to enter the old password, and then we have to confirm by entering the new password twice, and then we will click on the save button, then it will get saved. If we want to if we forgot the password, then we can also forget it by log out and then forgot, and then we have to type email here and then submit. Then we have to check our email. We'll get a link through where we can change the password. After clicking on the link of the Gmail, we get a form to enter a new password, and then we have to enter a new password and confirm it. Then we'll submit it. After submitting, we will get access to again to the site.